Hey, good afternoon, Mower Medic One. Today is the day I show everybody how I look up parts for Honda engines. Now, Honda equipment powered engine stuff that's built by Honda is the same website, and I'm going to show you how to look up both. Okay, so you have a, say, just for instance, a Karcher power washer, same power washer that I'm waiting on the carburetor to come in. I got several inbox messages saying, Mower Medic, it's all well and good, but how on earth do I know if I'm getting the right carburetor? Because I've ordered 2 carburetors for my engine and both of them have come in and they're wrong. The chokes are in the wrong position, the carburetor's too big, or it doesn't have the right atmospheric vents in the wrong spot, just any number of things. Yes, it's very important to know how to look up your parts. Don't rely on your parts guy to look up your parts. If he's adamant about it, just say, hey, I looked up the parts myself. I feel comfortable with you ordering this Honda part number, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it on my smartphone. But on this general consumer vertical engine, you have to do a little bit of digging to be able to get the model, or the model they already put on there, GCV 160. But just looking at it at a glance, you're going to be like, well, you've looked all over for your model number for your vertical Honda engine and you can't find it. Well, you have to remove the blower shroud and starter. I've already removed the starter, so let's remove the gas tank blower shroud assembly. And if you look right here, it's stenciled into the block. Let me turn my light up just a little bit so you can see better. Get the shadow out of there. And if you can see that, there's your stenciled numbers. You need this number and you need the 7-digit serial number. And sometimes, depending on the application, you'll need that last number right there. Say for instance the plastic sticker decal is gone and you don't know if it's a GC V160 or 120 or 130. Honda always stamps the CCs on their engine right below this plate. As you can tell, it is 160 centimeters to the 3rd power, so it's 160 cc's. Here's another trick that I like to use, guys. If your eyes are getting bad like me, I need glasses like crazy. I need to go get my eyes checked. But if you'll take a picture with your phone, a pretty decent up close picture, then you can blow it up, and as you can tell, you can see it a lot better. Alrighty guys, we're gonna, let's see, hit my bookmarks. We're gonna go to, I've got it saved in there, it's Honda, or excuse me, engines.honda.com. Alright, so we've got the website pulled up here. We want to hit our information tab. We're going to go to parts, go to parts lookup, and we're going to type in the numbers that we found. The first set of numbers was GJAEA, so let's type it in. GJAEA. Okay, we confirm that. And our serial number, the 7-digit serial number, is 4996437. So let's go ahead and type that in. 499. Whoops. Excuse me. Make sure you're on the right tab over here. So we're going to go to 4996437. 437, hit search for parts, and there's all your parts breakdown. It tells you your model's a GCV160A with a spec number of an N5AF, which is correct, and then your serial number. So we're going to go to the carburetor. Alright, you can blow this up in and out with your fingers. So we're going to go with number 7, which is the carburetor assembly. And as you can tell, you have two number 7s to choose from. You have a 16100Z0L 023, good through 1000 or 1000001 through 167295 serial numbers. It has a price of $16, and the 16100Z0L 862 between serial numbers 2225728 and 99999, etc. Our engine falls in this bracket right here of the 22 between 99. So we're going to order 16100 Z0L 862, and that's the part number for your carburetor. $15.91 from Honda. So if it's got a serial number break, that's why you need to write down your serial number, because it could have two different carburetors fit this engine for a different application. Could be a lawnmower engine, which is the 023 carburetor, and this 862 carburetor is for a power washer. Okay, so we have a Honda engine on a Honda lawnmower, and if we want to look up parts for this, we're going to have this, what they call the MAGA number. As you can see, there is the model number. It's HRX 217 HXA with a MAGA number 1613958. Okay, so basically it's the same website. The website is PEPARTS, so PEParts.honda.com. This is off the Honda website. So we want parts. And it's going to give you a list of equipment to click on. So we know we don't need a water pump or nothing like that. We're working on a lawnmower. So we're going to hit lawnmowers. And it's going to bring us to, we know it's a HRX. So we're going to tap that one. Tap it again. Okay. It's HRX 217 HXA, so it's going to be, okay, we know our serial number is 1613958. So we are right here at it, HRX 217 HXA with a MAGA number of 150 through 201. So that is our machine right there. And it's going to show us everything, engine parts, carburetor. What I'm going to be looking for is a crankshaft, and it's got two different illustrations. There's our crankshafts. And it shows two different ones. No, it doesn't. Number 2 is the crankshaft. Serial numbers 1 through 9999. So that's pretty much a wide spectrum of that crankshaft. So the part number is 06131-ZD8-W50. So if you want to look up the carburetor for this model. Same thing, HRX 217 with the HXA C illustration. Here we go. I bet you it's that 023 carburetor, but I don't know. I'm not real sure yet. I have to look it up. I don't want to guess. So we are going to look at number 8. Nope, I was wrong. From serial number 1489 through 99999, and I remember our serial number is 161, so it's going to fall in that serial number range, and the part number is going to be 16100 Z0Y813. Alrighty guys, that's how I do it. You may have other ways. You might like to use parts tree or ARI parts lookup. Briggs & Stratton.com is a real good website to look up Briggs & Stratton parts. So is Kohler. I recommend going to the manufacturer website. They all have good parts breakdowns. No questions asked about the part numbers. Sometimes if you go to like a lawnmower shop in your area and they use the parts lookup Part Smart by ARI, it's a good parts lookup system. I love using it, but a lot of times they don't update those on their website, so be careful whenever you're looking up parts. It may only go up to a certain serial number and then it just drops off. So anyway, if you have any questions about how to look up parts on a Honda engines, don't be afraid to give me a shout, and maybe I can help you look up your parts for you in an email, or maybe just in the comments below works for me too. So if this helped you out, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and while you're there, please hit that notification bell so you'll get all my new videos. Anyway, y'all have a good rest of your week, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day. More Medic 1.